So if you're getting this error saying that Google Assistant isn't available for this account, all you have to do is go back and turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, so you just keep going back. When you reset the phone, you might get this error. So just keep going back. And just turn off the Wi-Fi. You don't have to disconnect it, just turn it off. Then skip. And you just keep going. Later. So it will get started. Okay, so once the Wi-Fi is disabled, you're good to go. So if you guys found this really informative, do like the video and also subscribe to my channel. It'll be great. Thank you.